it's Brittany, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Pantene the Gold series. As you guys know, these are my favorite products. Pantene, it has always been my favorite brand. They've been an OG for the longest, and I finally got my hand on the Gold series after they've been out for like a year now. I finally was able to get my hands on them, and I used them for the first time yesterday. I used all Pantene the Gold series products, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to know how I felt about the products before I actually did a tutorial utilizing the products. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys the products itself and telling you guys how I feel about them. You guys gave me 83% of you guys said yes to see the video. So this video is not going to be super long, and it's just a quick review video, and I don't want to waste you guys' time, so let's get right into the video. So due to the fact that I had already washed my hair 2 days before I used the Pantene Gold Series products, I only co-washed because I didn't really have much products in my hair. So I went in with the Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's really easy to use. It's not like the squeeze thing, even though I like the squeeze bottles. They did an excellent job with the packaging, and it'll say the Gold series underneath. I know Pantene has a lot of products that come in gold packaging, but this will say it will say Gold series. And I do love co-washes, and so for this, I think for the amount that you get and the amount that you pay for it, I think it's an amazing product. It's something that I would definitely use. I know some co-washes, for me at least, I notice that when I do co-wash, it'll do more drying than moisturizing to my hair. So for this to be a drugstore product, and it literally, like, I feel like it cleansed my hair, but at the same time it really left my hair super moisturized. It was amazing. The directions say to, you squeeze a $50 amount size into your palm, which we all know that does not work for me because my hair is super thick and super long. You apply it from root to tip, and you massage it into your scalp, and then you use a wide tooth comb and you comb it out, or you can finger detangle, and then you rinse thoroughly. So that was for the first product. This is definitely something that I would go back to get. I'll actually buy a whole bunch of them, because I actually bought 2 of these because I had a feeling I was gonna like it, because Pantene very rarely disappoints me. So I decided that I was gonna get 2 of these, and I'm very happy that I did. For the second product, so after I co-washed my hair with the Deep Hydrating Conditioner or co-wash, I rinsed it out, and I went in with the repair mask. And by the way, you guys, all of these products are paraben free, and they are also infused with argan oil, which is very, 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 very good for your hair. So I went in with the repair mask, and you guys, I'm just going to show you guys something real quick. This is the amount of product that I use in just one wash, simply because I loved the amount of moisture it was giving my hair. And I know sometimes when I deep condition, even with regular conditioners, I can rinse it out, and literally like an hour or 2 later I still feel like my hair is kind of dry. This product is very amazing because it just, like, I automatically felt the moisture in my hair. Sometimes when I deep condition, I usually end up having to put in oil over it. If you guys would know that if you guys watched my 10 tips on how to grow out long hair, I usually seal it with an oil so that it can gain the moisture. This does not require you to seal it with an oil, and that's probably because it isn't already infused with argan oil, and I love it. It moisturized my hair. It says to leave it in 5 to 7 minutes. I left it in for like an hour and change, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt like heaven. That when I got out the shower, I made my mom feel my hair, and she was like, wow, like, that is amazing. So definitely I would get this. A little bit does go a long way, but because I'm super extra and heavy-handed when it comes to deep conditioning, I used a lot. I do wish the packaging was a little bit bigger so I won't have to continuously buy it, but I don't even care. It's definitely worth the price. It does what it's supposed to do, and it's like it's not like a product that you will feel in between about. It's definitely amazing, and I would definitely recommend this. Again, this is Pantene the Gold Series repairing mask. Okay guys, so after I dried my hair with the towel, after I got out of the shower and I dried my hair with the towel, I went in with the curl defining pudding. Now, because I really enjoyed these products, I am going to do a curly hair routine just utilizing the Pantene Gold Series hair products, and I'm going to show you guys how I use the products. So for the curl defining pudding, what I did was, because my hair is really thick and really long, I divided my hair into 4 pieces and I worked my way through with this product. Okay, so for this product, it is a little bit sticky-ish. I used a lot of product yesterday. It's kind of sticky, but it does what it's supposed to do in that it kept my curls and it made my hair feel light. So the good thing about this product is that when you put it in your hair, it's gonna feel really heavy, but if you air dry your hair, when you're air drying it, you will feel that it just becomes lighter, because right now my hair is like super light and I'm enjoying it because usually my hair feels heavy on my head. This product you can use a lot, and it's going to the hair is going to soak it up. So this is a product that I definitely recommend. I just really liked it. Like, I worked it throughout my hair. I used the Deadman brush and I worked it throughout my hair, and this is how my hair came out. With this product, it gives a lot of hold, which I like. I know some people like the whole soft curl thing, but the problem with doing softer curls is that they're not going to last throughout the week, and I like to do wash and goes that last like 6 to 7 days, so I don't have to keep on going in with the product. And this product is amazing because, like I said, I can talk about deep conditioners all day and hair products all day. This just gave the hold that I needed. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go into the next product now. This is the Frizz Fixing Serum by Pantene. Now this is not part of the Gold Series. I know the Gold Series has their own moisturizer, which I have to get, or oil that I have to get my hands on, but the thing that I really liked about this is that it's a lighter oil. As you guys know, I don't really care for the heavier oils. I feel like all they do is sit on my hair. This is and it's a light oil, and it can go onto wet or dry hair. I know some oils are usually only for when I do the straighter hair, but this can go on both wet hair. So, like I said, the curl defining pudding, it is of a thicker consistency, kind of sticky. If you want to loosen it up, you can always use the oil and mix it together and work it throughout your hair, and it will still give your hair it gives your hair a soft hold, not like a sticky hold. I don't want anybody to think it made my hair feel hard. It just gave my hair a soft hold. And the good thing about this product is that it gives me shine. It doesn't make, I know for me at least, some oils make my hair feel sticky and just annoying, and it makes me more hot. I actually just worked this in my hair before I did this video to refresh my curls a little bit, and this is how it came out looking. So I'm going to show you guys right now on camera. And I just squeeze some, and you can put it towards your ends, and it just goes in really lightly, and it smells really good. It's a sweet smell, but it's not overpowering. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this. Again, this is not part of the Gold Series, but in my curly hair routine, for using just the Gold Series products, I'm going to try my best to get my hands on the moisturizer. But for right now, this is excellent. Like I said, Pantene very rarely disappoints me, so I think they did an excellent job. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I'm definitely going to be doing more hair videos because that's what I told you guys I was coming to do. A lot more beauty, a lot more stuff like that. And like I said, these products are definitely a yes for me. They're worth it. They actually work. If it didn't work, I wouldn't tell you guys that it worked. And obviously, it worked because I'm showing you guys the results right here. And I will be, for like the 40th time, I will be filming a video just using these hair products and showing you guys how I work the products in my hair. That is the end of this video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if you guys are thinking about purchasing the Gold series, I would definitely tell you that it's Brittany approved. I love the products, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.